What is up, guys? Tony Tone back again with another review. So today I'm going to be reviewing a limited time sandwich from Subway. I'm going to be trying their new Italian Hero sandwich. And it just slipped. So this has Genoa salami, mortadella, and capicola, which is it's like ham, like pepperoni kind of spicy meats. So that's what it looks like. And I just got meat, cheese, the oil and vinegar, and just some lettuce and provolone cheese. So, let's, that's actually a thick bit of meat here. So let's, give it a try. And yeah, I got mine toasted, so, let's give it a try. Wow. Wow, that's really flavorful. So yeah, I can see the salami, but I can't tell the difference between the capicola and the mortadella. I mean, I've never had either of them before, so let's give it another bite here. Wow. So, right off the bat, I think I would, next time, if I got this again, I'd get it without the oil and vinegar. This is just, it's overpowering everything. Like, that bite, it's just all spicy vinegar. It's like a red vinegar, which is weird. And I can't really taste any meat or cheese at all. So, that's my only complaint so far. But the meat and cheese combo it's spot on. It's delicious. So, I would say, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give this, with the oil and vinegar, I'd give it like a 3, to be honest. But without it, I'd give it like a high 4. It's actually, the combination of the meat and cheese is really good. But it's just that vinegar kills it for me. I'm not a huge, like, plain vinegar fan, especially on subs. But, in spicy food, that's where I like my vinegar. But, it's a good sandwich. I definitely recommend you try it. And let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And then I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.